Hi, I'm Richard Asselta, and I'm a defense attorney for students. In this video, I want to talk to you about mistakes that I commonly see students make when they attend an academic integrity or a conduct hearing. So I get phone calls from people all the time telling me that they had a hearing, they lost, and now they've got whatever punishment. And I'll sometimes talk to them about, well, tell me about the hearing. What were you accused of? What did you say? What was the evidence? And so forth. And over the years, I've seen common mistakes that student makes. And I just want to talk to you about a couple of them here today. There are lots. One of the big things that I see is that students do not really understand what they're being charged with. And I know that might sound silly, but a lot of times students just either don't get the nuances of what they're being charged with, or they just don't understand why what they're claiming they did was a problem. And if you don't understand that, then you're not going to be able to walk into a hearing and appear before the panel and be able to answer any questions or defend themselves. The second mistake that I see is that students just don't prepare for these things, which I just don't understand. Many times they walk in, they have nothing prepared in writing, and they just essentially wing it. They haven't really practiced, they didn't really think about this. They just assume they'd go in there and give their explanation, and I didn't do anything wrong, and you have to believe me, and somehow it's all going to work out fine. And part of that fault actually lies on the university because many times students are sort of lulled into this sense that, oh, this is not a big deal, this is going to be fine. It is not. This is a serious situation. This is an adversarial situation. And if you're not prepared, you're probably going to lose. The third thing I see is that students just don't look critically at the evidence that was presented against them and make any arguments about it. They seem to ignore what's been presented and only want to focus on their story. That's fine, but if you're not addressing the claims and the evidence, you're missing a big aspect of this. And lastly, the big thing I see is students just do this, they go it alone. They don't have an advisor, they don't talk to their parents, they feel they can handle this all on their own, which again is a big mistake. So if you find yourself in a situation where you've been accused of an academic integrity or conduct violation, before you go to a hearing, please, if you don't want to reach out to your parents, reach out to me, talk to me about it. If it's something I can help you with, I'm happy to do so. So again, call or email, and let's see if we can help you with your case. Thank you very much.